Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the YouTube app and tapping the plus sign to create a short. This launches the recorder. Once done, either import your clip or record live because you need media present to attach music. Now tap the music note icon at the top or side to open the library. This shows tracks, trends, and search. Make sure to sign into your channel so music options are available, otherwise some tracks may be restricted. Next, you search and preview tracks. Type a title, artist, or browse mood categories. Previewing avoids surprises. Once you pick a song, trim the start point to match the clip, adjust song volume relative to original audio, and drag the track timeline so beats sync with cuts. If you need precise alignment, zoom the timeline and nudge the start. This gives cleaner transitions. Also consider using the original audio toggle if voice or ambient sound must stay dominant. Finally, preview your short fully. Listen for balance, sync, and ensure it stays under 60 seconds. Then add captions, select visibility and audience settings, and tap upload. If the app flags the track or mutes audio, make sure licensing limits aren't the cause. Try a different clip of the same song, reduce copyrighted portions, or enable original audio if your recording includes owned sound. If problems persist, restart the app and reopen the editor before reuploading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.